Librem 5 phones are built for those who care about their digital security and the use of free and open source software. The Librem 5 is designed to be easily repairable, making it possible to use the same phone for a longer time. Let's go through the hardware found on the phone. On the outside of the Librem 5 phone, you'll find the power button, volume rocker, 3 hardware kill switches to control your cell, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and your microphone and camera. On the top of the device, we included a headphone jack for easy connection to a corded headset. On the bottom, you can connect a USB-C charger, a hub, or just about any USB device. Perfect for scaling your software up to a docked screen. Along the top bezel, we included a proximity sensor, a brightness indicator, a microphone, and a forward-facing camera. On the back side, we have our rear camera and LED flash. You can easily replace the battery by removing the back cover and pulling the tab on the battery. While the battery is pulled out, you can access the smart card tray. With just a few screws, you can get at your Wi-Fi card and cellular modem. With your Librem 5 powered down, you can use the included SIM card extractor to access your SD and SIM card tray. Order the Librem 5 USA or Librem 5 phone today at puri.sm.